Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see, the price in our case has failed to find support over this POC line, failed to find support above this January monthly CPI line, and also looks like following some bearish continuation before choosing a trend duration. You can see I have prepared some interesting chart for you guys, which I'm going to talk in this video. But first thing first, guys, destroy that like button. To those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this volume profile indicator, you can see the price in our case has failed to find support above this POC line. Yes, we failed to find support above this POC line, which was around 42,500, 42,600, and since then the price of Bitcoin is clearly showing weakness. Now, if we look at the combination with the POC line and also the combination with the January monthly CPI, we can see unfortunately the price is breaking below this support. Yes, breaking below this support, failing to find support over the POC line could indicate that we might get attracted towards this first target to the downside, our first support line, which sits around $38,357 before deciding the trend duration. Yes, if the price of Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above this CPI indicator around 40,000, 41,000, then this lower trend line is looked as our upcoming target for now, because we know it is not just only the CPI indicator, it is not just only the POC indicator indicating us weakness, even this ascending broadening wedge scenario. After failing to find support over this lower trend line, the price of Bitcoin in our case is clearly showing weakness, and if this here is going to be a continuation pattern, the point from where we started this ascending broadening wedge will be looked as our upcoming target, and in that case you can see 34,000 could be on the line. And we have also said, hey, it's not just only the price opportunity from this ascending broadening wedge. Even if we look at the price structure here in a bit different way, I mean, if you look at this rising trend line, if you look at this Fibonacci extension level, if you look at this price structure during this uptrend, when the price of Bitcoin started showing weakness, where did the price got attracted? The price got attracted in between this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line before turning bullish. Same thing happened here from this low till this high. If you take this Fibonacci retracement level, you can see, guys, we got attracted around this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line before forming a new higher highs. What happened after that? We got attracted here towards this rising trend line, because this rising trend line here, this yellow line, was considered as a line of support. We failed to continue our uptrend. We got attracted towards this rising trend line, forming a double bottom type of formation. Yes, if we look at this price structure carefully, guys, right, if we look at this double bottom formation, once we managed to find proper support over the neckline, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin started with this actual impulsiveness. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that if we are going to see another corrective move, then where are we expecting our price of Bitcoin to get attracted? In between this 0.6182 to 0.5 Fibonacci line along with this rising trend line, before expecting another impulsive move here like this, getting attracted towards this rising trend line, testing the support from this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line and even the support from this Williams alligator indicator before expecting another impulsiveness. So if this scenario plays out, price getting attracted towards this key line first in between 34,000-36,000 range, you can see this could make sense. I mean, price of Bitcoin following some bearish continuation pattern for a while, right, for a few days before finding bottom, before starting with an actual impulsive move, because even this bearish flag looks like playing out. Price failing to continue this uptrend has started this corrective move, and according to this bear flag as well, you can see the upcoming days for Bitcoin could be looked like this, more of range bound, right, more of a range bound before heading here to the upside. I mean, price could show a move like this, some range bound before showing further continuation like this, and even after that another impulsive move. But for me, I personally think any sort of a pullback in the medium short term could be a great buying opportunity, because we have already found out that this year of 2024 we have formed a VCPR. This line's top, central and the bottom CPR line are VCPR lines. VCPR lines attract the price because the price of Bitcoin is choosing a trend duration without touching any of this trend line. And we know in history, more than 90 to 95% price tends to get attracted towards this line only after that chooses a trend duration. So in our case, if that is going to happen, then you can see the top CPR line for this year is around 38,000. Bottom CPR line is around 30,000. So this trend lines, right, top and the bottom line is where we could be getting attracted, but it is also going to give us a buying opportunity. And I personally think after some retracement, after some weakness, the price of Bitcoin will be ready for a new impulsive move, because we know this scenario is what I've just showed you is temporary. I mean, you can see a head and shoulder formation in a 4-hour time frame. We have already broken the neckline, and now if this here is going to be another continuation to the downside according to this head and shoulder pattern, you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin could slowly get attracted around this 35,000 range, and we know 34 to 36,000 is also one very important line where we are expecting the price for the coming days to get attracted before finding bottom, before continue our new uptrend here like this. Yes, if you simply look at the indices, guys, if you look at S&P 500, it is up 1.2%. Nasdaq up 1.95%, also forming a new higher high. S&P 500 as well. Even Dow 30, if you look at this price structure, you can see it is also making a new higher high. Now let's look at stocks. Stocks are up. Apple is up 1.5%, Amazon 1.2%, Alphabet around 2%. But if you look at crypto is lacking momentum, bullish momentum, but this could be just temporary, guys. If entire market was bearish, then we could have seen indices also negative, stocks negative, but it is only crypto which is negative, because we know what's happening in the market lately. GBTC outflow, minus outflow all-time high, FTX selling cryptos. So this could be the reason why we are seeing some bearish momentum, but this could be just a temporary momentum. I mean, this bearish momentum before price starts heading towards to break the previous high. In that case, 60 to 70,000 will be looked as our bigger price opportunity. And for now, for the medium short term, if we manage to remain over 40,000, then this is our final hope, guys. This price structure could still form a right angle broadening bottom. This right angle broadening bottom is a bullish continuation pattern. For this bullish continuation pattern to play out, price must remain over 40,000. So remaining over 40,000, this could be our final chance to show another impulsive move or try one more time to come across the CPR line or even the POC line around 42,600 range. So right now our focus is going to be around 40,000. That's our final line of support, because losing that means we should be preparing ourselves for another corrective move towards this rising trend line in between this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line and even the price opportunity from this ascending broadening wedge. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price in the medium short term shows some weakness, please do not panic. This could be a final trap before the price of Bitcoin goes parabolic, because we know before the halving we have seen plenty of time pre-halving checkout, but after the halving the price of Bitcoin has went parabolic. So this bearish scenario which I've just showed you could be short-lived. So please do not confuse yourself, because in a bigger picture the price of Bitcoin still looks very, very bullish. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and if you haven't claimed your bonuses, please check the video description, because Bybit is giving around free $200 futures airdrop, either Bitcoin or Ethereum position airdrop. Bybit is also giving around 30,000 free bonus if you sign up using this link, and even a chance to take part in this 2.2 million USDT prize pool competition. So this is your opportunity, try grabbing it. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.